Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 45, Lesson 5 Exercises. Here we have examples of the impersonal passive verb. Sometimes an active verb can be changed into the passive form, which we would never do in English, but they often did in Latin. So here's an example. A nostris fortissime pugnatum est. It was fought by us very bravely. Means the same as nostri fortissime pugnaverunt. Our forces or our people fought very bravely. It was fought. What we mean by an impersonal verb is a verb where in our translation we often have to put it in front of it. It was done. Because there's no specific person that it's referring to. So it was fought bravely, very bravely by us is the same as saying we fought very bravely. So here we have apudaides priami acerrime pug blank acer equals acerrima pugna erat. Okay, so here we have there was a very fierce battle, acerrima, being the superlative of acer, fierce or sharp. There was a very fierce battle is the same as saying at the house of Priam it was fought very fiercely. Okay, so it was fought or it was being fought. We need the imperfect passive from pugnara. The imperfect passive endings are bar, baris, batur, bamur, bamini, bantur. So what we need here for it was being fought is third person singular, so pugna batur. Okay, so the same idea here, but now we're not going to be in the imperfect passive, we're going to be in the perfect passive. So pugnatus a sumes est. Pugnati a sumus est sunt. So with the Sabines at first, it was fought with a doubtful victory. Okay. So we would translate that that at first they fought with the Sabines and the victory was doubtful. So what we need here is the third person singular perfect passive from pugnara, which is pugnatum est. It was fought. Okay, go ahead and try the rest of those. Let's go on to 14. Our vocab exercise. Corpore Lucretiae in forum delato homines ad lacrimas et querelas blank, which means the same as concitantur. So they were being roused or they were being driven. That's concitantur. Who was being roused? The men, homines. Okay. So with the body of Lucretia brought down from Defero into the forum, the men were being driven or were being roused, were being moved to tears and complaints. And what other verb means the same as concitantur? Concitare is conciere, right here. So concientur. They were being moved to those things. So go ahead and try the rest of those exercises, those vocab exercises. Let's go on to 15. Question and answer. Quo corpus Lucretiae delatum est? Where was the body of Lucretia brought down? Again from Defero. Delatum est. Corpus Lucretiae delatum est in forum. It was brought down into the forum. In forum delatum est corpus Lucretiae. Hac re atroci concitati quid homines querebantur. So concitati, driven. Remember from concitare, driven or moved by this horrible deed. Here we have atroci from atrox, so the ablative singular, adjective. Driven by this horrible deed, what were the people complaining about? Well, querebantur, they were complaining about the the force et scelus, and the crime regium of the kings. Homines scelus regium querebantur, the crime or the wicked deed of the kings they were complaining about. Okay, so try the rest of those and I'll see you back in the text.